Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to find IP address. Okay guys, so now from start option here you can see the run. Okay, you need to click on that. Now here you can see you need to type in CMD. Okay, you need to type in CMD and then just you need to run the okay, you need to click on OK. Now follow these steps I'm doing here, which is you need to type in ipconfig. Okay, now you need to click on press the enter button. Now here you can see that there are IPv6 and IPv4 addresses. Okay, so my ISP provide IPv6 address. If your ISP do not support IPv6 address, you might not see this address. Okay guys, so I hope you guys understand how you can find IP address in your desktop. And most of the cases people have only IPv4 addresses. So here you can see the IPv4 addresses. This will be your IP address. Okay guys, so I hope you understand this video. If you have any kind of question regarding this video, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned with 5 minute solution.